Is your favorite houseplant turning yellow, dropping leaves, or looking like it's about to die? Don't throw it away just yet. What if you could help it recover in as little as 24 hours? In this video, I'll show you 7 emergency plant rescue tips that gardeners use to save struggling indoor plants before it's too late. Whether your plant has been overwatered, underwatered, or simply neglected, these simple techniques can stop the decline and give it the best chance to recover. The sooner you act, the better the results. Stay until the end, because the final tip is the one most people completely ignore, and it could be the difference between losing your plant forever or watching it bounce back with healthy new growth. Let's rescue your plant together. Tip number 1. Check the soil before watering. The first thing you should do is inspect the soil. Many dying plants are actually suffering from too much water rather than too little. Stick your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it feels wet, don't water again. Let the soil dry slightly before adding more moisture. If the soil is bone dry, water slowly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Never let your plant sit in standing water, because soggy roots quickly lose oxygen and begin to rot. Healthy roots need both moisture and air. Simply correcting your watering routine can stop further damage within hours and give your plant the opportunity to recover naturally. Proper watering is always the first step toward saving any struggling indoor plant. Tip number 2. Remove dead and damaged leaves. Grab a pair of clean scissors and remove yellow, brown, black, or completely wilted leaves. These damaged leaves no longer help the plant produce energy. Instead, they continue draining valuable nutrients that could be used to grow healthy new foliage. Make clean cuts close to the base without damaging healthy stems. If a stem is soft, mushy, or black, trim it back until you reach healthy green tissue. This quick cleanup also improves airflow around the plant, reducing the chance of fungal diseases spreading further. Within a day, your plant will look healthier simply because it no longer wastes energy supporting dying growth. Think of pruning as removing obstacles so your plant can focus on healing. Tip number 3. Give it bright, indirect light. A weak plant needs energy, and light is how plants make food through photosynthesis. Move your plant to a location with bright, indirect sunlight, such as near an east-facing window or a bright room with filtered light. Avoid placing stressed plants under harsh afternoon sun because damaged leaves can scorch easily. If natural light is limited, use a quality grow light for several hours each day. Good lighting encourages the plant to produce fresh energy without adding extra stress. Many indoor plants begin showing signs of improvement after receiving proper light conditions. Finding the right balance between brightness and protection can dramatically improve recovery during the first 24 hours. Tip number 4. Inspect the roots immediately. If your plant continues declining, gently slide it out of the pot and inspect the roots. Healthy roots are firm and white, or light tan. Dark, mushy, or foul-smelling roots indicate root rot. Using sterilized scissors, carefully remove the damaged roots while keeping as many healthy ones as possible. Replace the old, soggy soil with fresh, well-draining potting mix before replanting. Choose a container with drainage holes to prevent future water buildup. This emergency root treatment removes the source of decay and allows healthy roots to begin functioning again. Although the plant may not look perfect immediately, stopping root rot quickly gives it a much better chance of surviving and producing healthy new growth. Tip number 5. Increase humidity around the plant. Many popular houseplants, including peace lilies, calatheas, monsteras, and pothos, recover faster when humidity levels increase. Dry indoor air causes leaves to lose moisture faster than damaged roots can replace it. Place your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Group several plants together, or use a small humidifier nearby. Avoid constant misting, because wet leaves can sometimes encourage fungal problems. Instead, focus on raising the humidity around the plant. Within several hours, drooping leaves may begin looking firmer as moisture loss slows down. Creating a comfortable environment reduces stress and allows the plant to redirect its energy toward repairing roots and producing healthier foliage. Tip number 6. Skip fertilizer during the emergency. One of the biggest mistakes people make is feeding a dying plant immediately. It sounds helpful, but fertilizer can actually burn weakened roots that are already under stress. Instead of forcing rapid growth, allow the plant to stabilize first. Focus on correcting watering, lighting, humidity, and root health before thinking about nutrients. Once you see fresh leaves or healthy new growth after a couple of weeks, you can begin feeding with a diluted, balanced fertilizer. Patience is essential during plant recovery. Giving the roots time to heal naturally often leads to stronger, healthier growth than adding fertilizer too early. Sometimes, doing less is exactly what your plant needs most. Tip number 7. Leave it alone and be patient. After you've corrected the main problems, resist the urge to keep moving, watering, or repotting your plant every day. Constant changes create even more stress. Plants need time to adjust to their improved environment. Monitor the soil every few days, maintain steady light, and avoid unnecessary handling. New growth is the best sign that your rescue worked, but it may take days or even weeks, depending on the species. Remember, recovery begins long before you see visible changes. Consistent care is far more effective than constant intervention. Trust the process, and your patience will often be rewarded with fresh leaves, stronger stems, and a healthier plant that continues growing for years. Now you know the 7 emergency steps that can help save a dying plant within the first 24 hours. Remember, the key is acting quickly, identifying the real problem, and avoiding common mistakes like overwatering or overfeeding. Every plant has an amazing ability to recover when given the right care. If these tips helped you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a fellow plant lover who might need a rescue guide. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more indoor plant care tips, easy gardening hacks, and proven growing secrets every week.